Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the Vlocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about load Dataraptor. As I said in the previous video, load Dataraptor is used to insert the record to the Salesforce. Let's see how we are going to insert the record to the Salesforce using load Dataraptor in the org. Yes, we can see a Velocity Dataraptor designer in the Velocity org, where you can create the new Velocity Dataraptor. After clicking new button, we will be getting a pop-up where we need to give the Dataraptor details. Yes, and we need to give a unique name for the Dataraptor. It's like as this is a post Dataraptor, I'm using post account case. I'm going to create account case records, and as I said, I'm explaining load Dataraptor, so I'm selecting interface type as load and input type as a JSON and output type as a S object. It will be pre-populated. Let's save this Dataraptor so that we can build this Dataraptor here. In the Dataraptor, we can see there are 4 tabs in the Dataraptor. Yes, for 5 tabs: objects, formulas, fields, options, and preview. I want, as I told, I will be creating account and case object, so we need to add account object here. Let's add account object here. Account, and also I want to insert case record as well, so I am writing case. So account and case are case should be linked to connect. As we know, account and case are will have a relation, so I want to link this case field. On the case, we have account ID, where we can link, where link of linked object, we are going to link account object, so it will take as account, and with account ID what we are passing, that will be linked here. And also there are some required fields on the case object, that is status, a status of I'm not taking anything here, just I'm giving the value. So we need to also make sure the spellings as well. I have given if we see the list, I have given ORIGN. Here I have given ORIGIN, and I should remove I so that it will match. If it matches, only the output will be correct. Let's execute this. By this we need to create, yes, account and case records are created. Let's see this account and case records here. And meanwhile, like we have created 2 objects, account and case, so the 2 objects we have passed input. Based on this input, the case and account records will be created here. Let's see the account and case records here. We need to make sure that the input should be JSON structure. This is a case what it is created. Yes, status is new and case origin is phone, and account name is Santosh, what I have given. Let's see on the account side. Here if we see the details, account name should be Santosh. Yes, it is there. And if you observe the related list, there should be a case with 1009, because I have, after clicking this, I have got this 1009 record for the case. Yes, 1009 is linked to account. Then this is working fine. Yes, now let's come into the formulas. For adding the formula, we have like suppose we will be having functions here. We can find the functions in the website docs and docs.velocity.com. Here we have if function. Let's use this if function in the Dataraptor. If we will be getting everything once we click that one. Yes, here we need to write I'm choosing the variable like ACC IND industry equal to E. Then the industry should be energy. Otherwise it should be null. This will be stored. I want to store this in the industry IND variable. This I am copying and I am giving the industry field to the account by setting the fields. Here I will be passing the IND variable which is coming from the formula and mapping it to industry on the person account, on the account here. So now we got these are the new list. So we need to, in the previous section, we need to pass the industry type. Here I am passing comma, we need to pass a JSON structure. So using this like E. If I am passing it as E, then this formula will verify. Sorry, I need to give this variable. If ACCIND equal to E, then this will IND will be stored energy. Otherwise it will store null. Based on, it will hold the value of this formula and it will be inserting into the account industry field. Let's see how it will create. Yes, we got account and case again. Let's open account and verify that it is created with industry energy or not. Meanwhile, these are the functions we can use in the Dataraptor, like down, evom, exist, filter, floats, and many date functions will be there. We can concatenate average, and we can also write SQL queries here in the formulas. Let's see the account. Here I have given as E, so it should create energy as a industry. I have given the same name Santosh and account ACCIND as E. Let's verify this is E and energy is stored as E is stored like energy based on the. Thank you friends. In next video I will be explaining other concepts. Thanks a lot.